another amazing video of Hansen School of Data Science Management and Technology. So today we'll be talking about the hottest trends in digital marketing this year. So we all know that we all use digital marketing in every aspect of our life, especially in businesses. So today I'll be talking about the hottest trends of digital marketing this year that you can use to uplift your business and to monetize your business in the most best possible way. So the first trend is Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and TikToks. So what is happening is brands are focusing now on micro videos to monetize their business, because now most people in this pandemic, we have seen that there is a very strong trend and strong inclination towards making Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and TikToks. So focusing on the micro video is something which is very important and the most important trend in digital marketing of this year. Now coming to the second hottest trend, that is webinars and live sessions on Instagram, Facebook, etc. We all have seen that in this pandemic the institutions, the educational institutions have closed. So what is happening for that purpose is that most of the educational institutions are providing webinars, like live webinars, free webinars each and every day or weekly, once or twice, and also Instagram sessions, right? So people are really registering in that webinar. So this is the second hottest digital trend, that is webinar and shorts on Instagram, that is live sessions, chats and etc. on Instagram and Facebook. Now coming to the third hottest trend, that is YouTube advertisement innovation. We have seen that due to this COVID situation, many creators who have a lots of creation and innovation in them are actually creating amazing contents on YouTube. So YouTube creation is becoming a very important aspect of digital marketing. Hence, YouTube innovation, that is YouTube advertisement innovation, is the third most important part of digital marketing. Then we come to brand user innovation, that is brand innovation. Now what is brand innovation? Brand innovation is basically that brands are contributing their content, that is innovating content in the storytelling of OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. So this is basically brand innovation on the storytelling of the OTT platforms, and also through the storytelling of the OTT platforms that we watch. The fifth one is user generated content, that is nowadays brands are collaborating with influencers from Instagram, Facebook and everywhere. Nowadays, after the COVID also and before the COVID also, influencers were a very important part of a business, but now post COVID influencers are one of the most important part of a business. So basically, whenever you want to showcase your product or whenever you want to make your product visible to the people and you have to build that trust with the people or the consumer, people basically believe on people rather than on the brand on internet. So nowadays brands are collaborating most with the influencers or Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. So brand user content, that is YouTube, influencers, etc. are now very much important. Now coming to the sixth part, that is socially conscious content or inclusive content, is the main topic of consumption this year. Why? Because this year, due to post-COVID, the social aspects of our society has seen a global change. Hence, people are really aware and focused about the social contents of the society, that is about mental health, equality and sociality and all that thing. So what is happening is people are actually consuming these data and information about these things on the internet. Hence, these are one of the main important social conscious contents that brands should be focusing on. Now the seventh aspect and the seventh hottest trend of digital marketing this year is conversational marketing. Now what is this? This is basically live chat or chat through Facebook Messenger or Instagram, etc. Now this is very important because the conversation that you have with your client really holds a very important value to the business. What happens is this thing, conversational marketing, gives you an edge over others. That is, you can give your clients a personalized experience for the product they are buying, etc. So conversational marketing is the 7th hottest trend in digital marketing this year. Now coming to the 8th hottest trend, that is snippets, that is zero-click search. 9th hottest trend, that is Google My Business page. Now the local businesses can really use Google My Business page to their advantage through their amazing content. That is, the content has to be good, then they can draw investors out of it. So people will really invest in local businesses. So local businesses should be using Google My Business page this year for their digital marketing strategy. Now coming to the 10th and the last hottest trend of digital marketing this year, that is voice-based search and voice-based devices such as Alexa, etc. So what happens is this helps in integration of the business. So most of the businesses and brands should be targeting on voice-based search and voice-based devices to be using in their business. So that was it about our 10 hottest trends of digital marketing this year that all brands should be focusing on. So this was the video today and I hope you all like it. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to Hansen School of Data Science Management and Technology for more such educational and informative videos. Stay tuned.